Paycor is a comprehensive HR, payroll, and workforce management platform. Here's how beginners can use it effectively. Log in and set up your account. Visit Paycor and log in with your credentials. Set up your company profile, including business details, tax information, and bank account for payroll processing. Add employees. Navigate to the Employees section and input employee details such as name, contact information, job title, and compensation. Include tax and benefit deductions to ensure accurate payroll calculations. Process payroll. In the payroll module, review employee hours, salaries, and deductions. Use the time tracking tool if integrated to import work hours. Approve and run payroll, ensuring direct deposit or check payments are scheduled on time. Manage HR tasks. Use the HR section to onboard new employees, store documents, track benefits, and manage PTO requests. Generate reports. Access the reporting module to generate payroll summaries, tax filings, and workforce analytics. Compliance and tax filings. Paycor automatically calculates and files taxes, ensuring compliance with federal, state, and local regulations. Leverage mobile access. Employees and administrators can use the Paycor mobile app to check pay stubs, update information, and manage HR tasks on the go.